Last time I talked about volume, this time I want to talk about our other 3D geometry topic, surface area. Now, let's take a time out really quickly to address the surface area of right cylinders. First off, you're going to have to calculate the end caps unless they tell you different, so be careful about that. And then you're going to have to calculate what's called the lateral surface area. They're going to give you a formula for that. And that's why I decided not to cover it, is because it's actually a little less technical, although it seems a lot harder, than finding the surface area of a box. Be careful too when you do these problems, because a lot of times they'll give you, say, a tent that has no floor, or they'll give you something that has an open end. So just be aware of that, because that's the kind of thing that they will always trap for if they make that stipulation. If they make that condition that there's an open end, guarantee you there's a trap where you have both ends closed or both ends have a surface area or part of the surface area. Okay, so let's start. Surface area is just how much stuff it takes to make the thing. Okay? If you have a cardboard box, it's how many square inches of cardboard are in the box, right? It's how big that surface is. If you just cut all the tape off and fold it flat, or if you're a paper towel roll with no end caps, no areas on the end, if you just slit it up the side and roll it flat, that would be lateral surface area, which for a paper towel is its entire surface area. Paper towel roll is its entire surface area. So let's look at this one. Now, in a rectangular prism, you'll have at most 3 sets of sides. Okay? In a cube, you'll really only have one side 6 times. But in a rectangular prism, you can have a top and a bottom. Ends. And we'll call that sides, right? So you have 3 sets. So let's start at the beginning. Okay, so this side is 4. This side is 12, right? 12, 4. So that's going to be 48. 12 times 4 is 48, times 2 is 96. All right, 1 pair of sides done, 2 left. Let's do the ends. So that's going to be 4 here and 6 here. These problems really reward a solid setup. I'm not just going this slow for demonstration purposes. You just need to be careful on these. So remember, we have 2 ends, so you double that again. And now, finally, our top, not our top and bottom, our sides. And that's just what I'm calling like these sides right over here. These are going to be 6 times 12 is 72. Times 2 is 144. And let's start adding things up. The 8 carry a 1, 8 carry a 1, 2, and 288 is our answer. Not too bad, right? Be careful. Solid setup. Remember, surface area is just how much stuff it would take to make the thing, assuming it's hollow. Okay, that's it for 3D geometry. Remember, if you see cones or anything crazy like that, they're going to be plug-in problems. Make sure you check out combo shapes, because that stuff can be really tricky, but there's some great tricks to it.